My name's Hamish. I'm a flying instructor here at RMIT Flight Training at the Point Cook campus. Today our mass brief will be Tarmac and safety. So the aim of today's brief is to learn and understand how to act accordingly outside when we're out operating near the aircraft, and the application is any time where we're outside. Airside is defined as an area where there's land or water for the purposes of the arrival of aircraft, departure of aircraft, loading and unloading of passengers and cargo. RMIT students are able to access the airside areas on the apron, however you must be escorted by an instructor or a staff member at all times. RMIT students are restricted to the following areas: to the north near the fuel truck, all the way stretching down to the south where the Hercules is parked, located off to the right hand side. When you're airside, the possession of weapons is strictly prohibited. Foreign object debris, or commonly known as FOD, is any material that is out airside that can cause damage to the aircraft. Foreign object debris is things like plastic bags, balloons, cardboard, bins, anything that can damage or impact on the safety of aircraft operations. Foreign object debris possesses a significant risk to aircraft, and if you notice any foreign object debris, it must be removed immediately. If you're unsure of how to do it, please contact an instructor. Operation of the red beacon, which is located on the top of the tail, will notify any persons that that aircraft is about to start or is in the process of shutting down. It's important to look for these red beacons when we're airside, as it will increase your own situational awareness of what's happening. If you do notice that the red beacon is flashing, it's important that you stand well clear of the aircraft until it's started, and once it's moved away, you can then pass that aircraft safely. Prior to starting the aircraft, the pilot flying will open the window and yell "all clear." It's important that you remove yourself from that area as quickly as possible. Let the aircraft start, and once it's moved, then it's all clear for you to continue walking. When the doors are open, that allows you to either enter or exit the aircraft. When they're in the locked position, the doors must be locked for flight, engine start. When they're closed, they must be closed at all other stages during the flight until the aircraft engine has been turned off or shut down. Our Cessna 172 is equipped with adjustable seats in the vertical and lateral positions moving backwards. You can adjust your seats with the height adjustment, and to adjust this, or to adjust the height, underneath your seat there is a switch which you can rotate clockwise or counterclockwise, and that will adjust your seat height. It's important that when you first get into the aircraft you set your seat position correctly so that you're seeing the same attitude as your instructor. Forward and aft adjustments of the seat. By lifting the T lever in between the seat, you'll be able to move the seat forwards and backwards. To move it forwards, you need to pull the T switch up, slide the chair forwards, and then lock the T-bar back down. To move it backwards, you lift up the T-bar and slide the seat backwards. Reclining the seats. The small tab located to the left of the T-bar will allow you to recline the seat. To recline the seat, you lift the lever up and push back on the seat. To bring the seat forwards, pull the switch up, and that will bring the seat forwards. It's important that before takeoff and landing, all of our seats are in the upright and locked position. Our 172S has a 3-point seatbelt similar to your car. It's important that you know how to operate the seatbelt as a primary means of safety in the aircraft. The G1000